Hi, my name is Marco, and welcome to the Model Gene. Today, I will be answering the question, what is a test shoot? When a new model starts out, they most often don't have much experience in front of the camera, so their agents will arrange test shoots for them. Test shoots are photo shoots without a paying client or magazine, but are used to develop the portfolio of the model and the team involved in the shoot. During a test shoot, models can learn how to better pose their body and feel comfortable in front of the camera without the pressure of a client looming over them. Getting to shoot a model who then goes on to become very successful benefits the photographer by branding them as someone who works with top models, and they also have room to experiment and create without the objective of selling clothes or cosmetics. The hair and makeup artists also get to show their skills beyond doing a smoky eye and a nude lip, and really pushing their artistry during a test shoot. In the best case scenario, all parties are benefiting and therefore making the test shoot worth everyone's time. Sorry to all the photographers watching this, but I do not think a model should be paying for test shoots. Let me say that again. Do not be paying for test shoots. There is no guarantee to the model that the photos will be usable for their portfolio, and spending that money up front before you are making money as a model is not worth it. One of the biggest traps aspiring models get suckered into is by being scouted by some scam agency who tells them they're amazing, but they need to spend a few $100s on test shoots in order to get signed and make it as a model. That is 100% false information. If you look like a model, all you need is your raw beauty to get signed with an agency. While it is true that a portfolio of beautiful images will help a model get more commercial work in their career, it is not needed to book runway shows or editorials in the high fashion world. I used to spend much more time trying to arrange for test shoots for my models when I started my own agency, but after so many hours of trying to find willing photographers and sometimes being disappointed with the images I got back, I started doing test shoots of my models myself. I think more agencies need to invest in a competent photographer as part of their art department who can do these test shoots for new models rather than putting the financial burden on the models and sending them around to strangers. If you have any questions about test shoots, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.